We are one day away from launching this beautiful house in Silver Spring, Maryland, and we did so much work on this. And by we, I mean Claudia. And actually, let me just go ahead and do this. This is Claudia. Claudia made all of this happen. And so what we're going to do now is we're going to do a quick little walkthrough about what's in this house. All right, so there's some nice new landscaping, and keep in mind, you see that big fence there? It's going to go right around there, and there's a lot more to show because the yard in this place is fantastic. So it's a super charming house with beautiful staging. When you walk in, it's got a great little seating area. And the nice thing is that, you know, I was already pumping up that yard, one door to the yard, and then we're going to get to the one in a second. They actually had to do their redo their kitchen, so this is all brand new. Appliances are new, cabinets are new, backsplash is new. It is all looking fantastic. So that is just such an asset for whoever gets this next. And then you also have a lovely little mudroom with some laundry. And this is the area that goes out to the second part out back. So you come out this way and you got a nice little deck, got a shed back here, and then all the way to the back there, and wait for it, all the way to over there and all the way around over here. That is your yard. So if you are looking for outdoor space, if your dog wants some outdoor space, this thing is rocking out with just so much love to it. So there's always questions about like timelines of getting these places ready. And with this one, we came over, we met with the owner, and we had a, we put together an ideal timeline of what it would look like and what we thought it would take to get it together. And they thought we were crazy. They were like, I don't know. We talked to a bunch of people, and with contractors and painting and all that stuff, it just doesn't seem like that might be possible. And we're like, just let us try. So we helped schedule some of the things along the way, gave them kind of a calendar, and then stuck to that calendar along the way. So this is the primary bedroom, nice and big. It's got the raised windows so you can have the bed going. You can have a king in here, whatever you want. And then there's all of this closet space here too. So with big old mirrors, how fun is that? You're just looking through here. You got a little coat closet. Storage under the stairs. So that's one of the things that, like, when people are looking to get their place ready, it's hard to fathom timelines because you're not working with contractors all the time, and that's kind of what we do for a living. So we got the best people together and kind of rocked out from there. So you have another full bath here, and over here is going to be your mechanical closet. So it's where your HVAC is going to sit, and water heater, and all of that good stuff. We have another big room up here, big old bed in here, and then additionally you have a nice little reading nook over here. I want to get that read on. Then over this way, and I love how it's got the shaped ceilings and all of that. It gives for a lot of extra oomph to this as we're kind of like working through. So just something that we're like, ooh, AC feels good. So yeah, this place we're just so excited to bring this from the market, and right around like $550,000 for, essentially 4 bedrooms and a massive yard, and a place that is just super cute, feels like it's going to be a winner. So we'll see what the market has to dictate. There's a couple other things out there that we will be competing with, but we have confidence. And so if you have any questions about it, put it in the comments below. And if we just really appreciate you taking another tour with us of our newest listing. And let's see how fast this thing can go.